You work hard, get that paycheck deposited, then blink, and somehow it's all gone. You might vaguely remember buying that latte or that new shirt, but where did the rest vanish? If you're nodding your head frantically right now, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with managing their finances. We budget, we try to track expenses, but traditional methods often fall short. That's where YNAB, or You Need a Budget, comes in. It's a budgeting app with a unique approach that's helped countless individuals take control of their finances and finally achieve their financial goals. But before you dive headfirst into YNAB, you might be wondering, is there a free trial? Absolutely. Here's the deal with YNAB's free trial and how it can jumpstart your journey to financial freedom. YNAB's free trial, a deep dive. YNAB offers a generous free trial that lasts a full 34 days. That's more than enough time to get a feel for the app, explore its features, and see if it meshes with your budgeting style. Here's the best part, there's absolutely no commitment involved. You don't need to enter any credit card information up front. Just sign up with your email address, and you're good to go. What can you do during the free trial? The free trial gives you full access to YNAB's powerful features. You can set up your budget. YNAB utilizes an envelope budgeting system where you assign incoming income to specific spending categories like groceries, rent, or entertainment. This method forces you to be intentional with your money and ensures you don't overspend in one area. Track transactions, effortlessly record your income and expenses. YNAB allows manual entry or automatic import from your bank accounts, making expense tracking a breeze. Reconcile accounts, regularly check your accounts against your YNAB budget to ensure everything matches up. This helps identify discrepancies and keeps your finances on track. Set goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or building an emergency fund, YNAB helps you set realistic goals and track your progress. Access educational resources. YNAB boasts a wealth of educational resources, including video tutorials, workshops, and live Q&A sessions. These resources are crucial for understanding the YNAB methodology and maximizing your budgeting success. Is the free trial enough time? With 34 days at your disposal, you can comfortably explore everything YNAB offers. Here's a suggested breakdown. Weeks 1 to 2, focus on setting up your budget. Familiarize yourself with the envelope system and categorize your expenses. Weeks 3 to 4, start tracking your transactions diligently. See how YNAB helps you visualize your spending habits. Weeks 5 to 6, set financial goals and utilize YNAB's tools to track progress. Explore the educational resources to solidify your understanding of the YNAB philosophy. By the end of the trial, you'll have a clear picture of whether YNAB aligns with your budgeting needs. Making the most of your free trial. Here are some tips to maximize your free trial experience. Be honest, enter all your income and expenses truthfully. This gives YNAB an accurate picture of your financial situation. Be consistent, regularly update your budget with new transactions. The more consistent you are, the better YNAB can guide you. Set realistic goals, don't aim to become a budgeting ninja overnight. Start with achievable goals and gradually build momentum. Ask questions, don't hesitate to utilize YNAB's educational resources. There's a wealth of knowledge waiting to be explored. Final thoughts. YNAB's free trial is a fantastic opportunity to test drive the app and see if it can revolutionize your finances. With 34 days of full access, you have ample time to explore its features, set financial goals, and experience the power of the YNAB method. So, if you're serious about taking control of your money and achieving financial freedom, give YNAB's free trial a shot. You might be surprised at the positive impact it can have on your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.